Madam Speaker, I rise in support of H.R. 1657. I want to thank Congressman Stutzman for his leadership on this bill. Before coming to Congress, I spent 20 years as a physician working at the VA healthcare system in Iron Mountain, and I'm fortunate at this time to represent 68,000 veterans who call Michigan's 1st District home. When those veterans in my district decided to serve their country, they gave up the opportunity to pursue experience in the civilian career. Recognizing this sacrifice, Congress enacted laws giving service-disabled veteran-owned small business preference when competing for government contracts. Unfortunately, in a 2009 report, the GAO estimated that more than $100 million had been awarded to firms that fraudulently claimed service-disabled veteran ownership. Due to significant control weaknesses within the Veterans Affairs Department and the Small Business Administration. By expediting the debarring process and strengthening the penalties for those who misrepresent their status, this bill provides more protection for service-disabled veteran-owned businesses. I urge my colleagues to vote with me in support of this bill. I yield back the remainder of my time.